Hey there! If you're thinking about a career in UX design or just want to upgrade your skills and stand out in the digital world, you're in the right place. Quick heads up. If you're ready to dive in, I've linked some of the best UX courses online from Coursera right in the description and in the first pinned comment. You can start learning today, and many of them offer free trials and certificates that look great on your resume or LinkedIn. So don't miss out. Check those out while you watch. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is UX design? UX stands for user experience. It's all about creating products, like websites, apps, or software, that are easy to use, accessible, and actually enjoyable for people. Great UX can make the difference between a product people love and one they abandon. And here's the exciting part. UX design is one of the fastest growing tech careers, with roles like UX designer, UX researcher, interaction designer, and more. And you don't need a tech degree to start. So why take UX courses online? Online UX courses, especially from trusted platforms like Coursera, give you flexibility to learn at your own pace, project-based learning so you can build a portfolio, certificates from top universities and companies like Google, CalArts, and the University of Michigan, and access to industry-relevant tools like Figma, Adobe XD, and usability testing frameworks. If you're nodding your head right now thinking, this is exactly what I've been looking for, don't wait. Hit the links in the description or the first pinned comment to browse the top-rated UX courses on Coursera. Your future in UX starts with one small click. All right, let's break down a few standout courses you should definitely check out. Checkmark Google UX Design Professional Certificate, a beginner-friendly course that takes you from zero to job-ready. You'll learn how to do wireframes, prototypes, and user testing. UX Design Fundamentals by CalArts, a great course for building a solid design foundation and creative thinking. Interaction Design Specialization by University of California, San Diego. Perfect if you're looking for a more academic, in-depth path. Each course includes real projects, quizzes, and certificates. And remember, you can start most of them for free. Not sure if UX is right for you? If you're creative, curious, and care about how people interact with technology, UX design could be a perfect fit. You don't need to be a coder. You just need an eye for design, a heart for problem solving, and a willingness to learn. And once you're trained, UX designers can make anywhere from $75,000 to $120,000 plus per year, depending on your level and location. Pretty amazing, right? So whether you're switching careers, upskilling for your current job, or just exploring a new passion, learning UX design online is one of the smartest moves you can make in 2025 and beyond. Don't forget, I've handpicked the best UX courses from Coursera just for you. You'll find all the links down below in the description and the first pinned comment. Start now. Your UX design journey is just one click away. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more career-boosting content, and drop a comment if you've got questions. I'm here to help.